How to install VPN on Google Chrome. Want privacy or access to geo-blocked sites? Let's install a VPN on Google Chrome. So first and foremost, go ahead and open Chrome Web Store. So go ahead and search for it in here. And then from the results, go ahead and select chromewebstore.google.com, and that will take you here. So there are a few web or Google Chrome VPNs you can use, and one of the most popular ones that are free to use would be Hola VPN. So search for it using the search bar and then select Hola VPN, your website unblocker. So this VPN extension can be used to access worldwide content. You can also block websites and unblock websites. You can access to global content and add or remove your favorites at any time. So this tool will make it easy for you to connect to different VPN locations. So once you click on it under your extension section, you'll be able to find this. So you have about 10 minutes to access the website for free. So you're given this amount of time to access a website for free using the VPN you selected.